Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Today, we will be learning pronouns for objects, pronouns only for someone, passive voice, and this and that. This is our ninth lecture of Arabic grammar, so without any further delay, let's hop onto it. Pronouns for objects. As we have mentioned, there are different pronouns for subjects and different pronouns for objects in Arabic. For example,
ضربه.
beat him.
ضربهما.
Beat them, both male.
ضربهم.
Beat them, all male.
ضربها.
Beat her.
ضربهما.
Beat them, both female.
ضربهن.
Beat them, all female.
ضربك.
Beat you.
ضربكما.
Beat you both, male.
ضربكم.
Beat you all, male.
ضربكم.
Beat you.
ضربكما.
Beat you both, female.
ضربكن.
Beat you all, female.
ضربني.
Beat me.
ضربنا.
Beat us. Pronouns only for someone. Means, beat me. What if the person who was beating only beat you and nobody else? Meaning, how to say, beat only me. For that we. Rule number 1. Add
إيا.
in the starting and. Rule number 2. Add the last letter, that is the pronoun for object, of the word after.
إيا.
So the word
ضربني.
becomes,
إيايا ضرب.
which means only beat me. Do this for every pronoun for objects.
إياه ضرب. إياهما ضرب. إياهما ضرب. إياها ضرب. إياهما ضرب. إياهن ضرب. إياك ضرب. إياكما ضرب. إياكما ضرب. إياك ضرب. إياكما ضرب. إياكن ضرب. إيايا ضرب. إيانا ضرب.
Convert these words, first into normal pronouns for objects and then into pronouns only for someone.
إياك نعبد.
This word is used in Surah Fatiha. It also uses
إياك.
But what does this word means?
نعبد.
Means that we worship. It is one of the pronouns of the words in the shape of.
يافعل.
We have taught these in previous lectures. If you don't remember, you can check out lecture number 2 and lecture number 7.
نعبدك.
Means that we worship you. But this is incomplete. For example, Christians also worship God, that is, Allah, then go to church and also worship Jesus. In Islam, Muslims are supposed to worship only Allah and nobody else. Therefore, Allah used the word
إياك نعبد.
which means that we only worship you, that is Allah. This is complete as it portrays the message that we only worship Allah and nobody else.
إياك نستعين.
This word is also used in Surah Fatiha. It also uses
إياك.
But what does this word means?
نستعين.
Means that we ask for help. It is also one of the pronouns of the words in the shape of.
افتعال.
We have taught these in previous lectures. If you don't remember, you can check out lecture number 4 and lecture number 7.
نستعينك.
Means that we ask for help from you. But again, this is incomplete. For example, Christians also ask for help from God, that is, Allah, then go to church and also ask for help from Jesus. In Islam, Muslims are supposed to ask for help only from Allah and nobody else. Therefore, Allah used the word
إياك نستعين.
Means that we only ask for help from you, that is Allah. This is complete as it portrays the message that we only ask help from Allah and nobody else. Together, these two sentences become
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
We only worship you and we only ask help from you. This and that. How to say this and that in Arabic. For this we use
ذا.
this,
هذا.
this, male,
ذلك.
that, male,
هذان.
these two,
هؤلاء.
these, used for both male and female,
أولئك.
those, used for both male and female,
هذه.
this, female,
تلك.
that, female. Sometimes,
ذلك.
is also used to represent something that is far in status not by distance. For example,
ذلك الكتاب.
that book, that is, Quran. The book, that is Quran, is right in front of the reader but the word
ذلك.
is used to tell that it is great in status and out of reach of humans and jinns to make one. Note that
ذلك.
is also used when representing both male and female at the same time. Otherwise,
ذلك.
is used for males. But in times where Allah is talking to both of them, then also
ذلك.
is used. Also note that this and that are not used for humans in Quran except to insult them. Otherwise, pronouns taught before and in previous lectures are used. Congratulations! You have completed your 9th lecture. Revise thoroughly what we have taught you above. Practice all pronouns as much as you can as they are used very much in the Quran. This was the second last lecture of Arabic grammar. After this, only one lecture is left and then we will start off with Arabic vocabulary. Till then, Allah Hafiz.